cultural worker.
Yes.
With emphasis on the word worker, right? And this was the kind of lessons that I was getting from people like Lionel at that time. Lionel had just come out of Robben Island prison, by the way, at that particular time, so he was filled with things to say, and we were like sponges, young guys around him, like really absorbing these ideas in very serious ways. Then I have to say that also looking back now and upon these kind of points, now with all this, the passage of time and going beyond 1984, is that even now our society has lost this notion of what to do with an artist.
Yeah.
We don't seem to be able to cope with this thing called an artist. We don't understand. We still think we can produce artists like for consumption, for the gallery system. We set up a fantastic gallery system, and we just create little artists to fill up. But actually, go outside, right, where the real need is, and that's where the artist and the cultural worker really become something beneficial to the society. But